Well, I got the new doggy toys set up. Looks complicated, but it's very simple. But this is the RETRIEV-R-TRAINER Versa launcher, and I'm going to be having it here demoed. So if you want to book an appointment to come out and run your dog on it and see the launcher, it's really cool. It's really neat, innovative. It's going to make it real easy to do marks for your dog and stuff. But the cool thing is it's just real simple. Looks like some spaghetti there, but it's all easy. But this is the receiver. It's got an on-off on the side. Right now I've got it charging. But that's the receiver. It plugs in here, and that's the charger. Then it comes with a transmitter with a retractable antenna. But you just take and pull the lever down like we have on the shooting gun stocks, and they lock in. And this is your servo. And each one of them have a servo. And it's locked and loaded. You would load it the same way with the head. You know, you would push this, release it, put your blank in, shut it. You know, you load it just like you do with the gun stock ones. But basically you're loaded up, and then you'll just push the receiver button, and when you do, you'll see the servo rotate. Basically that would launch it. That would launch it. Launch. And then just to reload it, you just push this back about 3 o'clock. Load it down. 3 o'clock. Load it down. And let's just say you didn't load those two. It'll pick up on which ones are loaded. I shot a double right there, which is kind of cool. You can shoot a double at one time also if you keep the button down. But let's just say you only loaded one. You loaded the back one. You could push it down. And there's a switch in there, and it knows that on the harness that's the only one that's loaded. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So basically, it's a real simple system. If you want to come out and check it out, just let me know. Book an appointment, bring your dog out. It's a real cool training tool. These rotate. You can twist these around all the way around any direction. They also have another rotating point up here to change the angle of the dummy itself. You can lay it flatter or bring it around. It's pretty cool. So it's got adjustments on the track and adjustments on the shooter. So you can put it anywhere you want it. And you can even add more shooters to the track. So you can keep adding as many you want to put on here. But it's a real cool system. And it's going to be cool in our program. I think it's going to make training nicer and be able to shoot doubles and triples and quads at one time for a dog. So it's a pretty cool deal. But this is the company. And you're going to be seeing a lot of their sponsorship stuff on our trailer. But I've always used their shooting guns and their guns in the stock and so forth. And but yeah, they're coming out with some more innovative stuff. But this is a really cool system. And you can just leave the harness attached and just unplug it right here and take your receiver and your transmitter and put it somewhere where it's safe. But you can just leave your harness attached. But yeah, just allows you to position different marks, you know, if you want to put the machine across the pond or something and shoot some different kind of marks, you know. But the gun stock ones that I use, and, you know, I get you guys to buy, they're great, you know. I mean, it's a big part of our training program. But this is just a remote type deal, which is kind of cool because you can set up some interesting marks. So I just wanted to show it all to you. It's pretty cool, the harness and all, but it just plugs in real simple. It looks complicated, but it's really, really easy. So just wanted to let you guys see the doggy Christmas present put together. So Maddie and them are like, let's go use this thing.